Sri Yaganti Uma Maheshwara Temple or Yaganti is a temple of Lord Shiva in Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh. It was built according to Vaishnavite traditions. This temple was constructed by King Harihara Bukkaraya of the Sangama dynasty of the Vijayanagara Empire in the 15th century. One story of the site's origin is as follows. The sage Agastya wanted to build a temple for Lord Venkateshwara on this site. However, the statue that was made could not be installed as the toenail of the idol got broken. The sage was upset over this and performed a penance for Shiva. When Shiva appeared, he said the place suits Shiva better as it resembles Kailash. Agastya then requested Shiva to give the devotees a Parvati, goddess as Lord Uma Maheshwara, in a single stone, which Shiva obliged. A second story is as follows. Chittappa, a devotee of Shiva, was worshipping Shiva and Shiva appeared to him as a tiger. Chittappa understood that it was Lord Shiva in tiger form and shouted Negandi Shivanu Ne Kanti, meaning I saw Shiva, I saw, and danced with joy. There is a cave called Chittappa nearby. Sri Yaganti Uma Maheshwara Temple is one of the few temples patronized by one of the great dynasties of India. Every year, Mahashivratri is celebrated and a large number of devotees from all over Andhra Pradesh visit. Shiva, Parvati and Nandi are the main deities in this temple. The saint Lord Veerabrahmendra Swami stayed here for some time and wrote Kalagnanam. A feature of this temple is its Pushkarini, a small pond of water on the temple premises. Water flows into this Pushkarini from the bottom of hill through the mouth of a Nandi. The water is fresh and sweet as it comes from the hills. No one knows how the water reaches the pond all year round, and this temple architecture in terms of its sculpture shows the skills of ancient Vishwakarma Sthapatis. Devotees find that a holy bath in Pushkarni is highly beneficial. After taking a bath in Pushkarni, they pay tributes to Lord Shiva. The sage Agastya bathed in Pushkarni and worshipped Shiva. Caves present in and around Yaganti temple are the Agastya cave is the cave where Agastya performed his penance for Shiva. One can enter the cave by climbing 120 steep steps. An idol to Devi is installed and may be worshipped here. The damaged idol of Lord Venkateshwara is present in this cave. Compared to Agastya cave, it is easy to climb, though the steps are steep. According to the story, this idol was present in this cave before the Tirumala Venkateshwara temple was constructed. But as the idol is damaged near the foot, it could not be worshipped. Sri Sri Potuluri Veerabrahmendra Swami tells us in his Kalagnanam that this place can stand as an alternative to Tirupati. Venkateshwara cave is the cave where Saint Sri Potuluri Veerabrahmendra Swami wrote some of his prophecy. The height of the cave is less and one needs to bend half over to enter it. The devotees believe that the Nandi idol in front of the temple is continuously increasing its size. The locals say that the idol was initially much smaller than its present size. They say that certain experimentation was carried out on this idol, and it was said that the type of rock out of which the idol is carved has a growing or enlarging nature associated with it. It is said that people used to do pradikshanas around it in the past. The temple staff has already removed one pillar as the size of the Nandi has increased. According to Potuluri Veerabrahmendra Swami, the Basavanna stone Nandi of Yaganti will come alive and shout when Kali Yuga ends. Absence of crows. Legend has it that while the sage Agastya was performing his penance, crows disturbed him and he cursed that the crows cannot enter the place. As the crow is the Vahana for Lord Shani, it is believed that Shani cannot enter this place. Om Namah Shivaya.